Here at the gas station, Lemons Pioneer, what you getting? Cool water. Gonna get some gas. Feel I got some water. All right, let's go. We'll see you at the install, and we'll get at it. Cool beans. I think we got. Well, I know we got one guy. He's on his way, one of the installers. So we'll meet him over there actually.
What's up, everybody? Out here in McKinney, Texas, getting it done. Gotta know what that is.